It was very important for us to host this event inside the European Parliament because the behavior of the international community and in particular of the European Union is shameful. After imperialist powers profited of the Kurds years ago to fight the Islamic State, now they're not only in silence but they also cooperate with the jihadist government of Al-Shara. And they have diplomatic relations with this jihadist government, and they also have economic relations. After the attacks in Aleppo already started, Ursula von der Leyen visited Syria and also promised money for the transition of the Syrian government. We think it is very important to defend with all means that are possible the revolution of the democratic confederalism.